Hi, this is Tim O'Brien, and this is a closeout report for fair supply chains in Ghana. This was a proposal we put in under Accelerate Decentralized Identity Challenge in Fund 7. Total amount we asked for was 17,000. So the challenge was essentially to grow the mass adoption of DID infrastructure. And a couple of use cases were pointed out: small producer problem and last supply chain, or last mile problem. And we certainly addressed the second and also the first. So maybe less the first than the second, but we addressed both. So the goals of the challenge were really sum of realized product pilots or launches. So we can say +1. We added one pilot. And discovery of repeatable patterns and use cases. Yeah, we actually, well, we think that using a metaverse and a no-code builder could itself be a pattern. And we also have sub-patterns within our design. So I think we can say, yes, we contributed to that part. And the number of issuers, holders, and verifiers, yes, I think it's more important the significance of who the issuers were. The agents of the Ghana Agricultural Department became issuers. So our farmers were able to view their documents, such as soil assays, water evaluation, water assays, etc., were uploaded to where the farmers could view them and could then use them as leverage to demand a higher price for growing organic food, and markets could be verifiers. We'll get more to that later. But yeah, our particular goals, and as stated in our proposal, was to build a technology framework that would allow a bottom-up supply chain management, could be managed locally, could be easy to maintain, easy to create, and then more importantly, easy for to be customized. Whether you have, N stores and M farms, or one store and one farm, that you customize it to your particular need. And then we wanted to not just build it in a vacuum, but we also want to test it and run it through a pilot. Certainly we did that. And then we're going to document all our lessons learned and leave it for the next guy, so he doesn't make the same mistakes. And if we did something really good, he can follow our patterns. So, yeah, I know we're supposed to fit everything in one video, but we built 3 products here: a metaverse builder, a mobile application, and an Android application, and a DID web infrastructure. So each of these would be very hard to compress into 5 minutes. So we're not going to try. So this will be just an overview, and there are 3 videos in the closeout document, one for each product. And of course, reach out to me if you want more information on any of them. So all our goals were achieved. We built the product, we tested it, and we documented it. So our process, I hired 2 managers on the ground. We recruited about 6 farmers, ended up with 5 at the end. They planted okra as a sample, and they applied good sustainable agricultural practices to growing it. Unfortunately, the crop was extremely poor, was meager and poor quality, so there was not enough to meaningfully ship to a marketplace, and the quality was probably below what many markets would accept. So I guess that's par for the course, but we went through the process of growing, of interacting with the government, of uploading documents. Unfortunately, the farmers were aware that the Ghana government was coming and sampling their soil, but they were not really aware of the purpose or if there were documents. So now they have the documents in their visible in the DID, it can be displayed in the mobile app. So if they want to, if the next crop is a good one, they can display it to a local spot market, maybe a hotel or a restaurant, and get premium prices. So that's a capability they didn't have before. So I want to thank everybody. We had a really great team on the ground. Farmers were super nice and cooperative. By the way, they did not lose a penny. We compensated them for the same price as if they had not applied organic methods and grown a good crop. So that's about it. I want to thank everybody. I want to thank Catalyst. I want to thank, as I said, the team on the ground was super, and hope to continue soon. So thanks a lot.